Good morning, all of you. So, as we comes to know that today we are going to finish this chapter. So, in last class, till last class, you all have you completed. Have you done, all of you? Yes or no? So, till 18
Yes,
we
sir.
have done in yesterday's class. So, let us come to the today's class. In today's class, we are going to discuss additional problems which are being present in this chapter. That is only called as additional exercise. So, let us come to this additional exercise. What is the first question? All of you read. It has been hanged. You please read. What is the first question?
The following is the distance timetable of an object in motion.
The following. Here you can observe.
Is the distance timetable.
Distance timetable of an object in motion. So they are giving distance timetable of an object in motion. So this is in time and this is in meters distance. Now, what conclusion can you draw about the acceleration? Is it constant acceleration or increasing acceleration or decreasing acceleration or zero? So how to do it? Can you able to say, all of you? So first case you calculate the speed first. We should know the speed, correct? All of you observe. Speed, what is the speed right here? Case 1. So let us go to the details. You tell me please. What is the details? Can you able to say me? All of you tell me the question. What is the details? What is the given data? Time, tell me.
The time is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What is the acceleration? Acceleration is equals to what? Final velocity minus
V minus
velocity divided by
initial velocity by time.
So this is what. Now you observe carefully. Here they have given time and they have given distance. Is it yes or no? They are giving time and distance.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, so tell me what is the time? Time will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 or 8. 8 is there? Till 7 only.
No, sir. 7 only, sir.
Yeah. What is this values? Values you tell me. What is this values? What is the values of this one? Values you tell me. Time is equal, distance equals how much? 0 means 0. Next 1 second means how much distance? Speak, yeah.
1 second. 1 second.
Are distance, yeah. Time, distance.
1 meter. 1 meter.
1
1 meter.
meter. Okay. Next.
8
Next.
meter.
8 meters.
8
okay.
meter.
Not ready. You can write here meters itself. 8. Next 3 seconds. Others also speak.
27.
Only one boy is there. 3 seconds. What?
27.
27. Next 4 seconds.
64.
64. Next 5 seconds.
125.
125. 6 seconds.
216.
216. Next 7 seconds.
343.
343. Now they are asking acceleration, but here they have given time and distance. So how we need to do that? Any idea first? So as we know the time and distance, if we know, we can calculate one thing. What is that? Can you able to say? Anybody? Tamil Selvan, Manya, Elamukil? If you know
Speed.
well, yes, speed. Very good. So let us say we have totally how many cases here? Let me imagine this is the case 1. Correct or not? This is the case 2. Case 3.
Yes, sir.
Case 4. So let us take 1 or 2 cases. Then you can understand either it is what is that. So case 1, tell me. So case 1, what is the speed drop? Case 1 speed is equals to time is equals to 0. Distance is equals to 0. So speed is equals to, let me take speed 1. Speed 1 is equals to what? 0 by 0, which is equals to 0 meter per second. Correct? Allow
0.
me, please. Next.
Yes,
Case 2, how much? Time equals to 1 second.
0 by 0, sir.
Equals to,
Meter per time.
let me take, this is T1
1, sir.
and this is T2 S2. 1 meters. So now what is the V2? V2 equals to how much? S2 divided by
1 by 1.
which
1 by 1.
equals to 1 meter per second.
1
Yes,
meter
sir?
per second.
All of you tell me please.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, case 3. Case 3 speak, all of you. Case 3, what is the time? Time equals to 3 seconds. What is the distance?
3 seconds.
Distance equals to
27 meters.
27 meter.
3 seconds. Wait, 2 seconds we missed it, correct? 2 seconds we have to do first. Case 3, 2 seconds. So 2 seconds means how much? Distance equals to 8 meters. Correct?
8.
Or not? So now
8.
T3 and this is
Yes, sir.
S3. So now what is the V3? V3 equals to Manya and Samya speak. S3 divided by
8 by 4. 2.
equals to 2 by
T3.
8 by
8 by
2.
2.
So 2 ones are 2 fours are, which is equals to 4
Four,
meters.
sir.
Is it yes or
4
no?
meter per second.
Next, case 4.
Yes, sir.
Case 4. Case 4. We don't need to do all the cases. Case 4, tell me. T4 is equals to 3 seconds. Next, S4 equals to how much, Ra?
27.
27 meters.
24.
27
27.
meter.
So now, what is the V4? V4 is equals to S4 divided by T4, which is equals to how much, Ra? 27 meters
27 by
by 3 seconds, which is equals to
3
how much?
ones are 3 nines are, sir, 9 meter per second. 9
9
meter per second.
is equals to 9 meter per second. So by this time you can understand it is what? Increasing acceleration, increasing velocity, correct or not? First one is 0
Sir.
meter per
Yes,
second,
sir.
0 meter per second. Next one is 1 meter per second. Next one is 4 meter per second. Next one is what?
9 meter per second.
So it is keep on increasing, correct or not? So increasing
Yes, sir.
acceleration,
Yes, sir.
increasing velocity, acceleration we don't know. Increasing velocity, correct or not? So if you want,
Yes,
you can
sir.
calculate like V5, V6, V7 also. Definitely it will increase. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Acceleration. Acceleration means what? Ra? Tell me acceleration equals to what is the formula? Final velocity minus.
Equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time.
Initial velocity by time.
Let's take first two cases. First two cases. What is the first two cases? Time difference. Tell me what is the first two cases? This is V1. This
0
is
meter and 1 meter.
V3, next V4, like that is coming. So what will come here? According to A1, A1 equals to what? V2 minus V1 divided by T2 minus T1. Is it yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
We will accept this
Yes,
one
sir.
because acceleration means cases initial velocity minus final velocity, correct or not? So what is V2? V2
Yes,
is
sir.
1 minus V1 is 0 divided by T2 is equals to how much, Ra? 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1 minus 0, 1 divided by
1 by
1. 2
1,
minus
sir.
1, how much? 1, which is equals to how much, Ra?
1
1
meter per second.
1
Meter per second square.
square. This is the acceleration A1. Now like that A2, please check it all of you. A2 equals to what? V3 minus V2 divided by T3 minus T2. Please speak.
T2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others also. Is there anyone? Tamil Selvan, Manya and Samya. Respond Manya and Samya. At least in chat you can respond me correct. So now V3 equals to how much, Ra? 4 meter per second minus V2 equals to how much, Ra? V2 equals to how much? V2 equals to. Arey yaar, if you are
1
not
meter per second.
use man.
1
4
meter
meter
per
per
second.
second.
What?
2
4
meter
meter per
per
second.
second.
Yeah, Monish. T3 equals how much? Tell
3
me.
by 1, sir.
At least you
3
can-
meter per second square.
Next A3, tell me. A3 equals to V4 minus V3 divided by T4 minus T3. So V4
T3.
equals how much? V4 equals how much? V4, check it. V4,
9 meter per second.
9 meter per second.
9 meter per second minus V3 equals to 4 meter per second divided
4
by
meter per second.
T4 equals to
Divided by
minus T3 equals to 2 seconds, which is equals to 9 minus 4, 3. Correct or not?
5.
Minus 3, 3 divided by
Sir.
3 to 1, which is equals to how much, Ra? Which is equals to how much?
3 meter per second square.
Second square. 9 minus 4, 5, correct? Ra? Not 3. 9 minus 4, how much, Ra? I am writing.
5, sir.
Fools you are writing. Huh? How much?
5 meter per second
3
square.
meter per second square.
This is A3. Now, you observe A1 equals how much? A1 equals to 1 meter per second square. A2 equals to 3 meter per second square. A3 equals to how much? 5 meter.
5 meter per second square.
Is it increasing at constant or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing, sir.
So, what we can conclude? So, it is increasing acceleration.
Acceleration.
Increasing
Acceleration.
acceleration. Please note it down. That's all. Solve from first. Are you understand the Elmukil now how to solve? Like these questions only.
Yes, sir.
Actually, we no need to prove all the cases. Do you understanding? All the cases we no need to
Sir.
prove. We can observe any 2 or 3 cases. To understand, by observing 2 or 3 cases, we can conclude the same thing, because same thing also will follow next also. Understand?
Yes,
That
sir.
is first 4 cases I am doing. First 4 cases means still 3 seconds. Correct or not? Ra? So next 4,
Yes,
5,
sir.
6, 7 also it will follow the same thing. Yes or no?
Yes,
That's-
sir.
So that is what. All of you do it. Laksha, Manya, Samya, at least say yes, sir. You understand or not? Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Tamil Selvan.
Sir.
Okay, solve it. Case 3, case 4. So from this only we can conclude it what? This question definitely will come in exam if somebody will prepare question paper. Do it. Manya, Samya, are you there in meeting or not? A2, A3. Solve it all of you. Maunesh, have you completed? Maunesh. Solve it, solve it. Once if it is completed, you tell me. Is it clear, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Velocity, how much you got, Monish? Pradosh? Okay, clear? Any doubt, ask me. Is it clear, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Is it increasing acceleration or decreasing acceleration?
Increasing acceleration.
Increasing acceleration, correct? Next, second question, go.
Yes, sir.
Have you open second question? What is the second question? What is the second question?
Sir,
Read.
wait a minute, sir.
Okay. I will open it, you read. Yeah. Read this one. Observe, this is the second question. What is this? Two persons,
Two-person managed to push a motor car of mass 1200 kg
at a uniform velocity along a level road. Correct or not? So the same motor car
Yes,
can
sir.
be pushed by 3 persons to produce an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. With what force does each person push the motor car? They are asking. Do you understanding, Ra? Assume that all persons
sir.
push the motor car with the same muscular effect. That is what they are asking. So what have to do? You ask. You tell me. So they are saying that 2 persons managed to push a motor car of mass 1500 kg at a uniform velocity along a level road. Same motor car can be pushed by 3 persons to produce an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. So they are asking with what force? Force they are asking. What force does each person push the motor car? They are asking. Very simple. What is the force formula? 3 persons are pushing. So what is the force formula? Anybody? Force formula equals to force
Mass into acceleration.
mass into acceleration. But here 2 persons are pushing. So means in the sense of how much, Ra? 2 persons are
Divided by 2.
2 persons are pushing.
Divided-
F equals to what? Not by 2. F plus F equals to 2F. Correct or not? Total body. Understand, Ra?
Into 2.
Yeah, into 2 we have to do it. Now before how many persons has pushed? Before how many persons?
2 persons.
Before how many persons?
2 persons.
Before first starting, read the question. Starting, read the question. How many persons? Imagine first now. 2 persons managed to push a motor car of mass 200 kg at a uniform velocity on a level road. So let me imagine all of you. Imagine here, please, all of you. So this is my motor car, and 2 persons are pushing at a time. So this person force is F, because they are saying that equal muscular effort they are saying. Correct or not, all of you? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So equal force. So this is F and this is F, which is equals how much? Which is equals to total
2F.
force equals how much? So total force
2F.
equals to 2F. Total force is equals to 2F. Now, observe, this is the first case. Now, before this, 3 persons has pushed. Have you noticed it? 3 persons has been pushed by, understanding, produce an acceleration of how much, Ra? 0.2?
0.2 meter per second square.
0.2 meter per second. How many persons has been pushed? Same car. How many persons they have been pushed?
3 persons.
3 persons. Means what is the force equals to? 3 equal. Correct or not? What is the force equals to?
3F.
3F. Observe very carefully. Try to understand carefully. I am saying you here. I will try to explain. We have 2 cases here. Observe all of you. So additional problem 2. First case, same car. Imagine all of you. First case, same car has been pushed by how many persons, Ra? 2 persons are pushing. So 1 person is F and another person is F. So total force equals how much?
2F.
Total force is equals to 2F. Do you understanding all of you? Mass equals to how much?
Yes, sir.
Mass equals to
1200 kg.
Do you understanding all of you? Tell me, please speak.
Yes, sir.
Now, same car, before how many persons has been pushed, Ra? How many persons has been pushed before?
3.
Mass equals to 1200 kg, and acceleration, how much they have been produced? 0.2 meter per second. Pulinjicha, Priyala. But how much force? How many they have been pushed?
3 members.
3 members means equal force. What is the total force? Total force.
3F.
Speak others also. Total force equals to 3F.
3F.
Now, we want what is the force equally. 1F we want. What is the net force equals to here? Can you able to say? Net force equals to. What is that? Net force equals to. Net force equals to how much, Ra? Please speak, yeah. Net force equals to. Elamukil. What is the net force, Elamukil? Force of 3 people minus force of 2 people. Correct or not, Pradosh, Monish?
Yes, sir.
That is. So, this is the total force of 3 people. So, that is total force of 3 people minus force of
2 people.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Now, you please tell me, which is equals how much? F is equals to force of 3 people, how much?
3F.
3F minus force of 2 people
2F.
equals to
2F.
2F, which is equal to how much? Net force is equals to how much?
F is equal to 1F.
F, which is equals to how much, Ra?
1F.
Understanding all of you? So the net force is equals to 1F. Now, what is the acceleration, Ra? What is the acceleration?
0.2 meter per second square.
What?
0.2 meter per second square.
0.2 meter per second
2
square.
meter per second square.
0.2 meter per second square. So now you please multiply all of you. How much it will come? Force F is equals to. What is the force, Ra? Force F is equals to.
Mass into acceleration.
Into acceleration. How much they have given? Mass equals to 1200 kilogram into acceleration is equals to 0.2
0.2 meter per second square.
So please all of you tell me how much it is. 0.2. 2400 point you can keep. Kilogram meter per second square. How much it is, Ra?
240, sir.
240
meter per
newtons.
second square.
Understand?
240
What?
Newton.
Newtons. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody? Now,
Yes, sir.
let us go with somebody is not understanding. Okay. Can I teach you again once again? Anybody having doubt means I will teach again. Now, imagine all of you read the question. Please, this is very important question. Manya and Samya, please respond me. Manya. At least say yes, Manya. So now all of you, Elamukil, Tamil Selvan, you also read this question once again. Because
sir.
it will be a confusing question. That is why you see, two persons managed to push a motor car of mass 1200 kg at a uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means acceleration equals to what? Acceleration equals to
Zero.
what? Zero. Do you understanding all of you? Uniform
Yes,
velocity
sir.
acceleration is equals to zero. Means in the sense of they are trying to push, but there is no increasing acceleration. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, Alamukil or Tamil Salvan or Monish, everybody. If you want to increase the acceleration, we want to apply the more force than the frictional force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you, will you accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, the same motor car, they are trying to push now three persons. First two persons they have pushed, they are trying to make it uniform velocity. Means no acceleration is creating. Do you understanding all of you? No acceleration
sir.
is creating. So zero acceleration. So zero acceleration means the force which they are applying by two persons, which is equals to what? Frictional force.
Frictional force.
Because if the frictional force is equal to the force applied, then there is no increasing acceleration or decreasing acceleration. That is what we can say, Newton's first law of motion. Unless until the external force is applied, the body is in what? Remains in state of rest or remains in state of motion.
Uniform motion.
That is. Now, if the same car, three persons has been pushed with the equal force, so that they are creating an acceleration of how much, Ra?
0.2 meter per second square.
Meter per second square. Then they're asking what force does each person push the motor car, they are asking. So assume that also they are saying that assume that all the persons push the motor car with what? Same muscular effort.
Muscular effort.
Understanding all of you? So those who not understand, once again I will teach you. Please understanding very carefully. First what they are saying, Darun, can you able to read the statement? Elamukil, somebody read. Read the statement. First, starting. What they're saying first, let me take one car. One car you can take. So this is my car. Is it they are creating any acceleration, Ra? Two persons are
No,
pushing.
sir.
Two persons are pushing. So with the equal force, they are saying that equal force means this ball also F and this fellow also F. So acceleration equals to what? Acceleration equals
Zero.
to zero.
Zero, sir.
Meter per
Zero.
second square.
Why? They're making what?
Uniform velocity.
Velocity.
Uniform
Uniform velocity means no acceleration. No acceleration means uniform velocity or constant velocity. We can call it as what? Constant velocity.
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 Whatever the force they are applying is not sufficient to overcome the frictional force. That is why acceleration is equals to what? Zero.
Zero.
Means in the sense of what is the frictional force here? The force applied is equals to 2F. What is the frictional force here?
2F.
Frictional force is equals to what?
2F.
All of you tell me, frictional force is
2F.
equals to also 2F. Because
2F.
what? Because why? Because of zero acceleration.
Uniform velocity.
Because of zero acceleration. Try to understanding. Because of zero acceleration, the force applied by how many persons, Ra? Two
2
persons.
persons.
Two persons, which is equals to what? Equals to
Frictional force.
frictional force. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So, force applied by two persons is equals to what? F plus F, which is equals to 2F. So,
2F.
frictional force is equals to also how much?
2F.
Frictional force, which is equals to 2F. So that zero acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, first, this is the same motor car. Again, how many persons has been pushed? Ra? Same
3
motor car.
persons.
Three persons. Three persons they are trying to push now. So how much acceleration they have been created? Equal muscular force. Equal muscular force. F, F, and F. So what is the force applied by three persons? Force applied. Force
3F.
applied by three persons. Three persons. Equals how much, Ra? Which is equal to
3F.
F.
3F, sir.
Please. Which is equals how much? 3F.
3F.
So now, two persons they are unable to create acceleration, but one more person will join. So the acceleration increases to how much, Ra? Rises to
0.2 meter per second square.
2 meter per second square. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
This is
sir.
mass equals to same 1200 kilogram. Now, what is the change in force, Ra? What is the net force they have applied? Manya and Laksha, Manya, Samaya, Laksha. What is the net force, Ra? Change in net force. Here 2 persons and there 3 persons. What is the, how many persons extra from one case to another case?
1% is extra.
Person is extra. Means in the sense of that is only F. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Persons are unable to create acceleration, but 2 become 3, they are creating some acceleration. So net force is equals to net force. Net force is equals to what? Ra? Net force is equals to what? Force
3F minus
force applied by 3 persons. Understanding? Minus force applied by what?
2%.
2%.
Force applied by 2 persons.
2%.
So this force applied by 2 persons, which is equals to what? This is equals to what? Also called frictional force. What we should call? Darun?
Frictional force.
Frictional force. So net force is equals to what? Force applied by 3 persons is equals to 3F minus force applied by 2 persons are frictional force is equals to F, which is equals to 3F minus F, which is equals to F1. Correct or not? Net force is equals
Yes, sir.
all of you. Till here, any doubt now? Net force, which is equals to F. Now, as we know, they are asking F only. Each person, how much force they have applied. F is equals to how much? Ra? Mass into acceleration.
Acceleration.
Mass is equal to how much? 1200 kilogram into acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square. Mane and Samya, are you solving? So now, observe very carefully. 12 twos are 24. 12 twos are 24. Double zero is there. And 1 digit before you can keep the point. So which is equals to kilogram meter per second square. Which is equals to how much? Ra? 1240
Kilogram.
meter per second square. Which is equals to the force applied by how many persons? Each person.
3 per each person.
Understand? So F is equals to how much? Ra? 240 newtons. How much?
Newtons.
240.
240 newtons.
Force applied by each person. How much? Ra? Monesh, Manya, Samya, Laksha. Each person pushes the motor car by how much? 240.
240 newtons.
Thus, the each person pushed the car by 240 Newton force. Do you understanding all of you? That is the
Yes,
statement.
sir.
Will hear any doubt? Anybody please ask me. Anybody you can ask me freely. Darun, Tamil Selvan. Any doubt? Ask me please. Kindly. Manya, at least say yes, Manya. Samya. Do you understand or not? Solve it. I hope you understand. I have the diagrams you can draw. Elamukil, you can draw the diagrams, you can understand, correct?
Yes, sir.
Here, one point you should remember in your brain. What is that? Acceleration is 0. Means it is moving with a uniform velocity. Means in the sense of what? The force applied is equals to what? The force applied is equals to frictional force. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You are unable to create acceleration. Suppose see, I am unable to move the object. Means in the sense of what? I am not applying the more force than the frictional force. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning of it. Understand, Monesh? Draw these diagrams and please kindly solve it neatly. If you have doubt, please ask me kindly. Once if it is completed, tell me.
Completed, sir.
Is it over, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us go for the next sum, Ra. Please, all of you respond here because so many sums we have solved. This third sum is very, very easy, Ra. You please observe the question and you tell me. What is the question? Please read the question. A hammer of mass, how much, Ra?
500 grams.
500 grams. Understanding? Moving at how much speed, Ra? 50 meter.
50 meter per second.
Strikes a nail. And the nail stops the hammer in a very short period of time, which is equals to how much, Ra? 0.01 seconds. What is the force of the nail on the hammer they are asking? Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
In the case of, I remember, karate person will hit the pile of a tiles. I have taught you, and within a fraction of seconds. Correct? The same thing.
Yes, sir.
or no? They are asking what force of the nail means what is the force of the nail on the hammer they are asking. So what is the force formula? What is the force formula? Can you able to tell me? Given data, tell me.
Mass into acceleration.
Given data first. Given data. Given data. Plus let me imagine. I will take additional problem 3. All of you. I will take some kind of a wooden block. Wooden block. What I am doing? Elamukil, Manish. Nail. Correct or not? Nail has
Yes,
been
sir.
understanding. So nail has been inserted, and what is the with the what I am hitting? I am hitting with
Hammer.
what? Hammer. So let me imagine. This is the hammer. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes,
I am
sir.
holding. Okay, all of you. So this is the hammer. Understanding? So now you please tell me what is the mass of hammer?
500 grams.
500 grams. So mass of hammer is equals to 500 grams, which is equals to how many kg? 500 into 1 by 1000 kilogram, which is equals to 0000 will get cancelled, which is equals to how much?
1 by 2 kg. 1 by 2 kg.
kg means 0.5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, all of you? 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 1 by 2 means how much? Ra? Point you can keep 2
0.5 kg.
So 0.5 kg is the mass. Now we want what they're asking force. Force equals to what is the formula? Please tell me. Mass into,
Mass into acceleration.
but they have given what is the velocity? Initial velocity. Initial velocity equals to initial
50
velocity.
meter per second.
3 meter
50
per
meter per second.
3 meters or 30 meters or it.
Sir, 50 meter per second.
50. That is what I'm asking. So 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. Now within a fraction of second it will comes to 0. Means what is the final velocity?
0 meter per second.
Per second. And what is the time?
0 meter per second.
It is equals to within
0.01.
0.01
second.
0.01 seconds. Very good. So 0.01 seconds. From this, can you calculate acceleration? Please tell me. Acceleration is equals to final
V
velocity
minus U by T.
divided by time, which is equals to what is the final velocity? 0 minus initial velocity is how much? 50 divided by time is equals to 0.01. Please solve it and tell me. Let me see who will say first. Let me see who will say first. Darun, Yelamukil, Samaya, Manya. Anybody? Who will say first? Please speak. Which is equals to how much, Ra? Which is equals to how much? Minus 50 divided by 0.01. Yes or no?
01. Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Speak, yeah, kindly.
Yes, sir.
Next what? Next what? Which is acceleration equals how much? Minus 50 into how much, Ra? 2 digits before decimal is there. I can multiply with what?
100.
100, sir. 100.
Will turns into what?
Sir, answer is minus 500 meter per second square.
Divided by minus 500 or minus 5000 or stupid. 100, right? Is
Sir,
5,000, sir.
5,000 meter per second.
5,000. So 5,000 divided by 1, which is equals to how much? Minus 5,000
5,000
meter
meter
per
per
second square. Do you understanding, all of you? Please tell me. That
Yes,
is.
sir.
Now, what is the force, Ra? Force equals to what? Mass into acceleration.
acceleration.
Simple. Mass equals how much? 0.5 kilogram into acceleration equals to minus 5,000 meter per second square. Minus it is for only acceleration. So now 0.5 means how I can write, Ra? 1 by 2 kilogram. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Minus 5 meter per now 2 ones are 2 5,000 half how much, Ra? Half of 5,000.
2,500.
2,500. So force is equals to how much?
2,500.
2,500.
2,500
Minus
newtons.
2,500 kilogram meter per second square.
Which is equals to how much? Force is equals to minus
Minus
2,500.
500 Newton.
Is it a difficult sum? Very
No,
simple.
sir.
Sir,
Correct or not? They have given in additional, but it is very simple. Correct or not? That is.
Yes,
So what
sir.
statement you will write? What is the statement you will write? Hammer strikes the nail with a force of? Hammer strikes a nail with a force of? This minus indicating what, Ra? Minus indicating
Opposite.
opposite direction. Understanding? Opposite direction. Opposite direction. So what you will write, thus The hammer hit the nail with what,
It's
brother?
opposite direction.
Tamil Selvan, hit the nail with the force of? With the force of 2000.
Minus 2500
Minus
meters.
2500.
All of you. Do it. Solve it. Any doubt, please ask. Till here. Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Tamil Selvan, Darun, Manyan, Samya, everybody. So if you'll understand that, complete that question. And the last sum is there. That is, I will give you homework. I will explain it and I will give you homework. Very simple sum. So please solve this sum, all of you. Solve this sum.
Completed, sir.
Others,
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
shall we start now? Next sum, I will explain it.
Yes,
Even
sir.
the time is up, no issues. You have to solve it. I will explain the sum. So let us discuss what is that sum. All of you, very simple sum it is. So observe very carefully what is that sum. Read the sum. Read the sum.
A motor car of mass
Motor car of 1200 kg. So mass is equal to how much, Ra? 1200.
1200 kg.
Understanding. Next, moving with along a straight line with a uniform velocity of how much? Uniform velocity of
90 kilometer per hour.
90 kilometer per
kilometer per hour. 90 kilometer per hour. Now, its velocity is slowed down to 18 kilometer per hour in just 4 seconds. Means what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is equal to how much? 90. And final velocity is how much? Final velocity is how much? 18
18.
kilometer per hour.
18, sir.
What is the time period? Time period is equals to just
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
This is in kilometer per hour. This is in seconds. So what we have to do? This two we have to convert it into meter per
second.
second. This is also meter per second. Will you able to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you, tell me. Will you able to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you, if you have done that, then what they are asking, read. What they are asking? External force. Calculate the acceleration and the change in momentum. Both they are asking. Correct or not? So also calculate the magnitude of force. Three things we should calculate. First, calculate acceleration. How to calculate acceleration? Final
V
velocity.
minus U by T.
Initial velocity divided by time. But these two you have to convert it into what? You have to convert it into
Meter per second.
meter per second. Kilometer per hour to
Per second.
per second. Which unit? 5 by 8.